Welcome to episode 1 of my KineMaster tutorial series for beginners. In this episode, we're creating a clean, simple edit using pictures. You'll learn how to import your photos, arrange them in order, trim their timing, add smooth transitions, and include light animation to give your edit a polished flow. Let's get started. Step 1. Name your project and choose the aspect ratio. We're starting fresh. First, tap the plus sign to begin a new project. Then, rename your project so you can easily find it later. After that, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This is perfect for vertical videos like shorts or TikToks. Step 2. Add pictures to the timeline. Once you enter the project, the media section will automatically open. From here, scroll through your folders and select the pictures you want to use in your edit. As you tap each one, it will be added to your timeline in that order. You can drag the pictures around if you want to rearrange them later. Step 3. Use pan and zoom to reframe your picture. Some pictures might not fit the screen the way you want. Tap the image, then go to pan and zoom. You'll see 2 frames, start and end. You can zoom in or reposition your photo to keep your subject centered. If you want the picture to stay still, tap the equal sign between the frames to lock it in place. Step 4. Adjust how long each picture stays on screen. To control how long your pictures appear, tap on a photo in the timeline, then drag the end of the clip left or right to shorten or extend its duration. Let's make the first picture short, around 3 to 4 seconds. For the second picture, drag it a little longer, set it to about 5 seconds. Changing the length this way lets you control the pacing and focus in your video. Step 5. Add transitions between pictures. To keep your edit smooth, add transitions. Tap the box between 2 clips. This opens the transition menu. Choose something simple like crossfade, slide, or wipe. You can test a few to see what feels right, then use the same one throughout or switch it up. Step 6. Save your clip. Okay, once your edit is done, it's time to save it. Tap the export button in the top right, the little arrow pointing up. Now listen, don't tap upload. That sends your video to KineMaster's own sharing page, not YouTube. Instead, tap save as video. From there, set it up like this. Resolution, 1080p frame rate, 30 FPS, leave everything else as is. Your video will be saved to your device. After that, you can upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, wherever you want. And that's it. You just created a clean, simple edit using pictures. We named the project, added photos, adjusted the timing, used pan and zoom, and added a smooth transition to pull everything together. We didn't use animations this time because that column fade transition already gave us the movement we needed. But don't worry, we'll get into animations and way more effects soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in episode 2.